Today, I will take you to the kitchen to prepare a cold rice with tuna, zucchini, and lemon, ideal for a refreshing and tasty summer meal. Ingredients: 250 grams of salad rice, such as parboiled rice, 2 medium zucchinis, 160 grams of tuna in olive oil, preferably high quality, 1 lemon with grated zest and juice, extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, fresh aromatic herbs to taste, such as basil, parsley, or mint, pitted black olives, optional, salted capers, optional. Start by cooking the rice in plenty of salted water. Once al dente, drain it and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process. Meanwhile, wash the zucchinis and cut them into cubes or thin slices. You can sauté them in a pan with a drizzle of oil and a clove of garlic for a few minutes, or use them raw for a crunchier texture. Drain the tuna and flake it with a fork. In a large bowl, combine the cooled rice with the zucchinis, tuna, grated lemon zest, and juice. Add extra virgin olive oil to taste and mix well. Season with salt and pepper and add freshly chopped aromatic herbs. If desired, you can enrich the salad with pitted black olives and rinsed and desalted capers. Let the rice salad rest in the fridge for at least an hour before serving, so the flavors meld together better. To stay updated on new delicious recipes, subscribe to our channel and don't forget to visit our website. Cold rice with tuna, zucchinis, and lemon is a versatile and refreshing recipe perfect for summer. Pair this dish with a fresh and light white wine and enjoy your meal. Bon appétit!